This is a step-by-step guide on how you can create an ad account. So first thing you have to do is to go to business.facebook.com. When you open it, you will see this, or you can go to your Meta Business Suite on desktop mode. Then you scroll down. When you open it, your dashboard will look like this. Then you go to settings. When you click on settings, you will scroll down to add account. Then if you have an existing ad account, you will see it here. But if you are just creating from scratch, this is how it will look like, plain and nothing on it. You click on add account. It will give you the option to create new ad account, add an existing ad account, request access to another ad account. So what we are doing today is creating a new ad account. Let's call it Promise SMM. Then you choose your time. So we are creating a Naira ad account. So whatever we are choosing have to do with Nigeria. Then you change the currency to Naira. If you don't change the currency to Naira, you will end up creating a postpaid ad account, which is you can only run ads when you attach your credit or debit card or PayPal. But if you change the currency here and the location and the time zone, you will have the option to use USSD, bank transfer, and PayU, and the other options that you can pay with in Naira. So when you are done, you click on next. Then this ad account, what are you using it for? Is it for yourself or for another business client? So we are creating this ad account for self, which is my business. Then the next one is to confirm the ad account details. The name is correct. Then you click on agree, create ad account. The next is to add payment information. Yes, Nigeria, Naira account, Lagos. Next, you can see now we have automatically created a prepaid ad account. So this is all about, if you want to fund your account immediately, you can use any of these options to fund your account. Then if you have a business tax and info, you can also add it, but it is an option. It is optional. You can either leave it empty or you add it. The choice is yours. So when you are done and you want to add funds, you can click on next. If not, just cancel. So here is our ad account. Congratulations, you just created a prepaid ad account. If you got value from this video, don't forget to save it for later and ask your questions in the comments. Thank you.